We all know how much of a game changer the American M142 HIMARS and M270 multiple launch rocket systems have been on the front lines. The German Mars 2 multiple launch rocket systems. In essence, this is an upgraded version of the M270. It is also tracked, also long range, but enhanced with numerous innovations. So let's take a closer look. The Mars 2 was developed by the German company Krauss-Maffei-Wegmann or KMW. This is a well-known and powerful defense manufacturer specializing primarily in armored vehicles. Their products are used in over 30 countries, mostly NATO members and allies. KMW engineers created a rocket system to target enemy troops, artillery, command centers, ammo depots, and remotely mined terrain. The range of missions this system can perform is impressively broad. The Mars 2 is built on the chassis of the M2 Bradley infantry fighting vehicle. With a tracked chassis, it easily overcomes most front obstacles. A wall nearly 1 meter high. No problem. Trenches up to 2.5 meters wide. Easily crossed. A 1 meter deep ford. Handled without issue. It can even climb embankments at a 30-degree angle. Its mobility is impressive, especially considering that this is a rocket system, not a tank or a vehicle specifically designed for extreme terrain. In terms of technical specifications, the Mars 2 is quite large. It stands just over 2.5 meters tall, nearly 3 meters wide, and almost 7 meters long. It can fire a salvo of 12 rockets. The system weighs slightly more than 26.5 tons and is operated by a crew of 3, a commander, a driver and a gunner. Its 500 horsepower engine can accelerate the vehicle to 64 km per hour with a maximum range of 480 km. In combat, the Mars 2 can launch all 12 rockets in just 1 minute. The rockets are housed in 2 launch pods, each containing 6 rockets. These pods are rotatable but single-use. After firing, they must be replaced with 2 new pods. All the mechanisms required for reloading are built into the platform itself, meaning no additional equipment is needed, just the new pods. The digital fire control system enables precision strikes at distances of up to 70 kilometers. And the system can fire different types of rockets. Mars 2 is compatible with both high-explosive anti-tank submunitions and cluster munitions. Let's start with the latter. Cluster munitions are used for remote mining of terrain. These rockets can reach targets up to 40 kilometers away and deploy at 2 anti-tank mines. As for the high-explosive anti-tank rounds, they are equipped with self-guidance systems, allowing for surgical precision in targeting. This weapon enables precision strikes on enemy targets, leaving no chance of survival for the occupiers, their equipment or their supply depots. Luster and high-explosive anti-tank rounds are the 2 most commonly used munitions with the Mars 2. However, the system supports a total of 7 different types of rockets, from training rounds with a range of up to 9 kilometers to ballistic missiles capable of striking targets 300 kilometers away. Mars 2 is a highly advanced weapon system designed to perform a wide variety of missions. It has been in service with the Bundeswehr since the year 1990. Since then, it has undergone numerous modifications, enhancements and refinements. The cost of a single launcher starts at nearly $2.5 million, depending on the configuration and the types of rockets used. For such a powerful weapon, this is a relatively modest investment. Mars 2 is economically efficient, capable of destroying enemy logistics hubs and fortified positions, and as a bonus it can create remote minefields. This presents a serious obstacle for enemy forces, significantly slowing their advance during offensive operations. Mars 2 is also a fast-reacting system. It can be brought to combat readiness in just 2 minutes. Thanks to automated target acquisition and positioning systems. All the operator has to do is open fire. Reloading takes only 5 minutes, a strong performance for a system that requires full replacement of both launch pods. The fire control system was developed by Airbus Defence and Space and is known as EFCS. This is a new European software suite, purpose-built for such powerful and modern weaponry. Mars 2 is the 3rd member of the Long Hand family weapon systems designed to strike the enemy at long distances.